Welcome to Planet MicroCap. I'm your host, Robert Kraft, and joining me today is Sam Pazuki. He is the CEO and Managing Director of Matador Mining. It's a publicly traded company. I got two symbols for you, MZZ on the ASX and MZZMF on the OTCQX. And Matador Mining will be presenting at the upcoming Precious Metal Summit Beaver Creek, happening September 13th through 16th, 2022. For more information, please visit precioussummit.com. And with that, Sam, thank you so much for joining me today. How you doing?
Good, Robert. Doing well. Looking forward to the weekend. How are you?
I'm right there with you. So, for those that may not have seen any of the interviews that I've done with Matador in the past or have heard of Matador Mining before, can you start us off with that quick overview of the company?
Yeah, sure. So I was appointed CEO, Managing Director of Matador Mining effective May 1st. I'd spent a 10-year career with OceanaGold prior to that. Matador is principal assets are in Newfoundland, Canada, a hot jurisdiction, a lot of activity that's taken place in the last few years. Ton of gold companies looking for gold, some more advanced than others. Matador is actually one of only 4 gold companies with a gold resource on the island. So despite the activity and the amount of capital that's gone into the province, we're only one of 4 that actually has a mineral resource. We're also sitting on one of the largest tenement packages on the province or in the province, along the most prolific gold belt on the island. We have 120 kilometers of continuous strike, which hosts our current resource of 137,000 ounces of gold, but it also hosts the 5.1 million ounces of gold with Marathon Gold's Valentine Lake project, which just received federal approval. In addition to sitting on an extensive or prolific gold belt, we also have a project called the Hermitage project, which sits on the Hermitage Flexure, a structure that hosts the Newfoundland gold significant drill intercepts that they put out into the market.
Very good. All right. So Sam, last time we had somebody on from the Matador Mining team. We published that on August 25th, 2021. So let's get that update. What would you say are some of the company's highlights and milestones achieved in the last 12 months or so?
Yeah, so the company has made significant changes. In addition to appointing me as CEO, we've made some changes to the strategy. The company had previously been doing a lot of exploration work, a lot of exploration drilling around the existing resource. I call that the brownfields resource, and that drilling was successful. It incrementally growing the resource. But when I joined Matador, I looked at the strike potential of the business, looked at the 120 kilometers of continuous strike, look at the Hermitage project. And to me, it really stuck out that we really need to go and test the belt. And the team had, prior to my joining, had done an aeromagnetic survey, which revealed some really interesting structures along the 120 kilometer strike. Followed up with some soil sampling, did some gold grade analysis, and it revealed a new large area called malachite, which is actually larger than Valentine Lake, the Marathon Gold project that hosts the 5.1 million ounces. And so malachite actually is oozing gold. And so to me, it really told me to let's move away from the brownfields, let's go greenfields. And so the company, since I've joined, has been moving in that direction, looking for specific areas in which to go and drill at malachite. And I'm happy to say that we're looking to start that drilling next month. What we're looking and what we're chasing for, and this is the name of the game in the exploration world, is multi-million ounce deposits. And while this, as I mentioned, the drilling that we had done at the brownfields was successful and potentially incrementally growing the resource, I think what's going to move the dial for shareholders is making a new major discovery.
Very good. All right. Well, to close us out here today, from what you can tell us, what would you say are some of the company's near-term value catalysts that folks should pay attention to?
Yeah, it's been a tough market, but despite that tough market, we got some very good support from shareholders and completed a financing, which yielded good capital in which we can go and invest in the drill bit. As I mentioned, we've got drilling that's going to start next month at malachite, which is a brand new target. Never seen a single drill hole. So we're excited to be there with the diamond drill rig to drill numerous targets in that large area. We are looking to advance on other targets as well, so not put all our eggs in one basket, but look at testing other targets. We have one to the east of malachite called Bunker Hill and one to the southwest called Grandies. In addition to that, prior to joining Matador, and as I've joined Matador and really understanding our portfolio, I keep hearing wonderful things about this Hermitage property, which is the largest arsenic antimony anomaly on the island, a major pathfinder for gold. Again, the largest anomaly for that on the island, second largest being Newfoundland gold, which is sub $1 billion market cap. So looking to get boots on the ground there soon, and really plan that process ahead of hopefully doing some work in the near future.
Very good. Well, Sam, with that, where can our audience go and find more information on Matador Mining?
Yeah, the audience can go to our website to look for additional information. I mean, we are very vocal in terms of social media. We've got a LinkedIn platform, which we put out a lot of our news. I do quite a bit of interviews through our different partners that we have. We are attending the Beaver Creek Conference next month. I should call it the Precious Metal Summit in Beaver Creek next month. We'll also be attending the Denver Gold Show. So we are focused in terms of delivering value on the drill bit. We are an ASX listed company, but we're also looking to seek out opportunities in which we can gain a TSX listing and become a dual listed issuer. So have a listing here closer to where the asset is and closer to the North American space. And I believe there's a lot of interest in what we're doing in Newfoundland. A lot of people not having heard Matador previously in North America. And so giving them an opportunity, in addition to the OTCQX, to buy Matador shares through a future TSX listing.
Very good. Well, Sam, thank you so much for joining me today. Really do appreciate it. Good luck. Stay safe. And we'll see you in Beaver Creek.
Sounds great, Robert. Looking forward to it.
Absolutely. Again, Matador Mining will be presenting at the upcoming Precious Metal Summit Beaver Creek happening September 13th through 16th, 2022. For more information, please visit precioussummit.com.